everybody, this is Bui from mamaboiskitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today guys, I'm going to show you how to make this simple blend of roasted potatoes and cut green beans. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. To start, peel and cut potatoes into bite-sized chunks. Then place them in a saucepan filled with cold water. Add about 1 tablespoon of salt. Then we're gonna bring these potatoes to a boil for 6 minutes. Then drain them out and place in a medium bowl. Next, season the potatoes with garlic and black pepper seasoning. Add Italian seasoning. Add red pepper flakes. We're gonna also add paprika. Then season with salt. Then we're gonna go in with melted butter. Then we're gonna toss everything together. Next, we're gonna spread evenly the potatoes on a baking dish and roast at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Meanwhile, we're gonna season the cut green beans with Italian seasoning, garlic and black pepper seasoning, red pepper flakes, salt, and melted butter. Then we're gonna toss everything together and set aside. After 20 minutes, remove the potatoes from the oven, flip them, then spread evenly the cut green beans on top of the potatoes, then roast for an additional 20 minutes. All the measurements and ingredients are listed in the description box down below the video. I just pulled out this dish from the oven, guys. It smells so good in here. I hope you enjoy them as much as my family does, guys. This oven roasted potatoes and cut green beans, guys, goes with almost everything. Serve immediately. Don't forget to subscribe and to hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Thanks for watching, guys. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my honey. Bye, my honey.